Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by validating prerequisites. Make sure the code is exact and the account is the one you use for Grow a Garden. Once done, verify the code's expiry and any region locks so you're not chasing a dead key. Next, ensure the client version and platform match the code's requirements. Mismatch often causes failure. If the game needs a specific event or level unlocked first, unlock it now so the redemption can succeed. You now perform the redeem action carefully. Open the official in-game code entry or the developer's redemption page and paste the code exactly. If the code still fails, clear the game cache, restart the client, and try again to remove transient errors. Also, make sure your connection is stable. Packet loss or captive networks can block validation. If prompted, follow any extra on-screen steps like confirming region or linking account. You finish by verifying the reward appeared in your inventory. If not, relog and recheck transaction logs or gift boxes. If it still didn't work, gather evidence. Screenshot the error, note the exact code, your account ID, platform, and timestamp, then submit to official support. If support is slow, consult community threads for known outages or mass redemption problems. One key tip: try redeeming on a different platform or browser to isolate whether the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.